Senco Gold delivers breakout quarter in Q3 FY26 with explosive profit growth. Senco Gold reported revenue of 3,071 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, marking a strong 50% year-on-year growth compared to 2,046 crore rupees in Q3 FY25. This growth came despite gold prices touching historic highs during the quarter, showing strong consumer demand and brand strength during the festive and wedding season. EBITDA for the quarter surged to 404 crore rupees from 80 crore rupees last year. EBITDA margin expanded significantly to 13.2% from 3.9%, reflecting operating leverage, improved product mix and better contribution from studded and lightweight jewelry. The company benefited from premiumization trends and strong festive traction. Profit after tax stood at 264 crore rupees compared to 33.5 crore rupees in the same quarter last year, translating into nearly 8x growth. PAT margin improved sharply to 8.5% from 1.6%, indicating structural improvement in profitability rather than just volume growth. Festive demand remained a major driver. The company recorded its highest ever Dhanteras month with strong retail traction across regions. Despite elevated gold prices, customers continued purchases supported by exchange schemes, flexible payment plans and a wide design portfolio. Senco Gold continued to strengthen its House of Design strategy by launching thousands of new gold and diamond designs during the quarter. The focus on lightweight and everyday jewelry collections helped maintain affordability and improved inventory rotation. The store network expanded to 196 showrooms, and management expects to cross 200 stores soon. Expansion in non-East markets is gaining traction, with non-East revenue crossing 1,100 crore rupees. This geographic diversification supports long-term scalability and reduces regional concentration risk. On the balance sheet side, inventory increased significantly year-on-year due to rising gold prices and store expansion. Borrowings also increased to support working capital needs. However, inventory days remained within the typical industry range, indicating controlled inventory management despite the higher absolute value. For the 9-month period, revenue grew 30% year-on-year while EBITDA and PAT saw multifold growth. Margin expansion over 9 months confirms improving operational efficiency across the business. The shareholding pattern shows a gradual reduction in promoter holding over the past few quarters, while domestic institutional investor participation has improved. Institutional confidence appears to be strengthening, though changes in ownership structure should continue to be monitored. Management guidance remains optimistic with expectations of 25% JOR revenue growth in Q4 FY26. Upcoming demand triggers include the wedding season, Valentine's Day, Akshaya Tritiya and regional festivals. Overall, Q3 FY26 stands out as one of the strongest quarters for Senco Gold, supported by strong revenue growth, sharp margin expansion, premiumization strategy and expanding national footprint. Sustainability of margins, inventory control and working capital discipline will remain key focus areas in the coming quarters. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.